Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. And I kind of look like a Dalmatian. These are actually flowers that when I look in my camera, I feel a little Dalmatian-like, but welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you joined me because today I have a Stitch Fix that's waiting to be open. But first off, I would like to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day. Whether you're a mother, a grandmother, a stepmother, or perhaps a surrogate mother, someone that has mothered and nurtured children, thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy Mother's Day. And what better way to celebrate Mother's Day than a Stitch Fix? Well, I'm filming this a day before Mother's Day, but this is actually my Mother's Day present. I am so very happy that it arrived before Mother's Day because there's some delays with Stitch Fix right now. Many of their warehouses are closed down. I'm just happy that I received my Mother's Day Stitch Fix before Mother's Day. So if you are brand new to Stitch Fix, if you're not familiar with what it is, I have left all of the information in the description box below if you want to check it out, be my guest. But I have a stylist that has sent me 5 pieces of clothing to try on in the comfort of my own home. There's an invoice in this box and it will have all the prices on it. I get to keep what I like and send the rest back. Postage is free. And what else? There's one other thing. Oh, I get to try everything on at home in the comfort of my own home, which is very, very nice. Now, recently I did raise my price points. You can let your stylist know what prices you are comfortable with. And I raised my price points because frankly, I wasn't getting much of a selection with my lower price points. I was kind of getting a lot of repeat items. So I'm hoping that by raising my price points, I will get a better selection of pieces. Cross your fingers and don't look at my fingers, guys. These are quarantine fingernails. Anybody else out there feeling me right now? Let's open this fix and see what's inside. Okay, here is my box. This is what the inside of the box looks like. And everything that you need to know about Stitch Fix is also conveniently printed right on the box, so it's really easy. Now, like I said, there is the return mailer, there's an envelope in here, and this has style cards with suggestions on how to style the pieces that the stylist sent, as well as my invoice. So let's see the bundle. Guys, look what I see here. They're shoes. And I bet they're sandals because they are lightweight. And here is the bundle. Okay, what do we think about the bundle? Now, another thing. I have gained weight. One of my faithful subscribers did point out in my last Stitch Fix video that I look chubbier. And the truth is, yes, I have gained weight. I've gained weight since quarantine, but in the last year, since I moved back to New Mexico, I've put on quite a bit of weight. I recently upped my sizes at Stitch Fix, but I'm just hoping that these fit. We'll see. All right, first things first, let's get to the good stuff right off the bat. The shoes, let me read them. These are by Seychelles, which I like this brand. This is a brand that is sold at Nordstrom's and other places too. This is the Total Relaxation Leather Slide Sandal. I'm liking it already. So let's see what it, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh, wow. Okay, these are made in Italy. These are a leather slide sandal in red, which is my favorite color if you're not familiar, if you're new to this channel. If you're new to this channel, hello, subscribe, come join me for another video. These are beautiful, and the only thing that the only turn off about these sandals is look how flat they are. And don't look at my nails when you're looking at how flat these are. These are going to be too flat for me to wear. I have a really hard time wearing anything this flat that doesn't have arch support in them. I don't even know if I'll try these on for that reason. I just purchased last summer, I purchased some beautiful shoes, Michael Kors flat sandals like these that I've only worn once. I haven't been able to wear them because they are so flat and therefore uncomfortable. Aren't these beautiful? I wish they just had a little lift in them. Okay, the clothes. Okay, on the top, this is the top blouse. So this is really pretty. Look at this, pearl detail on the front of it. Karl Lagerfeld, let's see what it is. This is the Sophie Pearl Detail ruffle blouse in white. This is very, very pretty, and it has all that tiered ruffle on it. I do like this piece. It does have a keyhole in the back. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. I do like it. This one I like more. Ooh, this one's pretty. Look at this. This is coral. So this has the keyhole in the back, and it's like a cotton fabric, I suspect. Oh, this is nice. And it is the Swiss dot with the crochet lace detail. It does have a high neck though, which I should probably wear, but I like a V-neck a little bit better, but this is a nice summer weight, spring weight top. Next up, look at this. Oh, that one's cute too. Now, I don't know, almost, okay, it is a floral, I guess. So again, we have the high neck, and that is a ruched neckline. There is a keyhole in the back, and who is this? Did I tell you who the last one was? I don't think I did. This one is Daniel Rain Adonis halter blouse in cobalt. Let me see, who is this one? Sorry, I didn't tell you. This one is Daniel Rain. This is the Fiona lace detail knit top in coral. I like this one so far. That one is my favorite. Oh, we have some jeans, denim, Madewell. These are the 10-inch high-rise skinny. I'm gonna love these. I know I'm going to love these because I like Madewell jeans. So this is just a plain skinny. It does have some fading on it and some whiskering, but other than that, that's nice high-rise, 10-inch high-rise. So I don't know, this might be great. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. That's 5 pieces. Let's try everything on and see what I think. I've tried everything on and I'm impressed. I think this is a pretty good fix. I have my style card here and a note from my stylist, and I normally don't read the stylist notes because my notes tend to be pretty generic. Now, my stylist this time is Liz, and she actually writes a very personal note. She does say, she apologizes for my last fix not, being the best, and she also mentions that she watched my video and she looked for some pieces she thought I would like more. Colorful, unique pieces, and she did do that. She also picked shoes in my favorite color. They're leather shoes, which I do appreciate a better quality than some of the other shoes I've received from Stitch Fix. So I really appreciate the personal touch, the personal styling that went into this fix. I think you will see it's evident. That doesn't mean everything worked for me, but you be the judge. Let me share with you everything. First off, let's look at the invoice. The invoice. I told you I raised the prices of my fixes, and this one, the total is $385.50. So that's pricey. But the buy all discount, if I was to keep everything, is $96.38. I'm not going to keep everything, so the discount really isn't applicable. But that would bring the total to $289.12. I think this might be the first time that I've seen an odd number, like $289.12. That's what it says. I do have some credit that I could spend on this fix if I choose to. Thank you to everyone that has used my referral link. You can find that in the description below if you want to get a fix for yourself. Let's go over every piece. I'll tell you the prices on every piece and we can talk about it. The first piece we'll talk about are the shoes, and the shoes are absolutely beautiful. I mean, I gave you a close-up of them. I think they're a really pretty shoes. These are the Seychelles Total Relaxation shoe. I didn't even take the other one out of the bag because I'm not even going to try them on. And these are the perfect Kelly shoe, but they're just too flat. These are $59, which is a really good price for a red shoe and a leather shoe. This is a nice brand of shoe, and if it just had a little lift to it, these would be on my feet right now, I am certain. But yeah, I'm going to send these back, not even tried on. I know they say they're the total relaxation shoe, but that's for someone that can relax in a flat shoe, and that's not me. So these sadly are just going to go back untried. But someone else is going to enjoy some really cute red sandals. The first top that I tried on is the Karl Lagerfeld. This is called the Sophie Pearl Detail Ruffle top. This is $69.50, and out of the box, I thought it was really pretty. Look, this is polyester, but you see it's still wrinkly. And I'm sure it would look much, much better with the steam. I thought I was going to love this top, but once I put it on, I didn't care much for it. What did you think about it? Maybe it was because I tried it with denim, and this might look better dressed up with a pair of black slacks or gray slacks or even red slacks. I don't know, it just didn't feel like me. It's absolutely beautiful. I just wasn't feeling it. So yeah, I think I'm going to send this one back. I'm so glad I got to try it, but this one was a near miss. And the next top is the Cobalt top by Danielle Rain. And this one just didn't fit perfect, but boy, is it pretty. I like cobalt blue. This neckline, it felt hot. And it's only May here in New Mexico, so it's only going to get warmer, and having this smocking detail around my neck, I didn't care for. The arms were a little bit too big for me, but other than that, I think the color is beautiful. I actually even like the print, and normally I don't like the larger florals, but I thought this one was really pretty on. Had it been a little bit smaller in the arms and not such a high neck. Did you guys like this one? This one, the Adonis halter top, is $64. $64, which surprises me a little bit, but yeah, that's the price, and I'm not going to keep it. Now, this top, this one is also Danielle Rain. Let me get these tags situated. This one I would have thought would be more expensive, probably because it's more comfortable. It's not 100% polyester. In fact, this one is cotton and rayon, but cotton is the predominant fabric. It is 70%, it's over 70% cotton. It's only 27% rayon. I love the Swiss dots in this one, and that neckline is just like a crew neck. It's a little bit lower, so it doesn't feel constricting or warm. I love Swiss dots. I just think they're so cute, and I think that this crochet lace detail, it's cool. It makes it feel cool. The armholes were a little bit smaller, so this one was a better fit. I like this one. I know I would wear this one. Now, that keyhole back, I'll admit, that was a little bit tough, and I think it's absolutely necessary to get in and out of this one. This is my favorite of all the tops. Did you guys like this one? I'm leaning towards keeping it. I like this. Want to wear this on Mother's Day? Maybe so. All right, the last piece, the denim, I like them. Surprise. If you're new watching my channel, I am just a freak about denim. I have far too many. Now, these actually fit. They feel really good, and I don't have any 10-inch high-rise Madewell. I do have 9-inch, but the 10-inch are just an inch better. I like these a lot. These are $135, and there's really, I mean, they're just a skinny high-rise denim, really plain, which will make them very versatile. I like them. They're plenty long. You can roll them up if you want them a little shorter, but I do like the longer length as an option to wear with heels if you choose to, which I do at times. No, these are $135 with Stitch Fix, and they are $128 if I was to buy them at Madewell. These are current season. These are spring of 19. If you didn't know, Madewell and J. Crew, many designers will put the date stamp on the inside tag, and these are current season. Now, my dilemma, the heat is going to turn on in New Mexico in a week, 2 weeks. It's already warm. It's well into the mid-90s today. Do I want denim that I probably will not wear into the fall? The answer is yes. I do want these. My impulsive, spontaneous side of me says yes, get them. But the practical side of me says, no, you won't wear these until the fall, and then they will be discounted in the fall. Not through Stitch Fix, but through Madewell. I'll be able to get them for probably $89 if I wait until the fall. So, I don't know. I want to keep these. In fact, we're going nowhere for Mother's Day, but I think this would be a cute outfit for Mother's Day, right? And did you guys notice I'm wearing my Stitch Fix earrings, my coral earrings? So, ooh, I could wear them again tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking about doing. I can't wait to hear what you think about this Stitch Fix. Would you keep these two items? What is this? $58, $135, so nearly $200, but I would spend $200 on myself for Mother's Day, right? Right. Guys, it's been a lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure that you are subscribed. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that now, and I will see you in the next video. Blessings to you. Happy Mother's Day.